Hey guys, how you doing? It's JB here, and today I wanted to show you this Sid 2.0. It's a core band hilt. This belongs to David, and I'm sorry about the backdrop. I'm on my workbench right now, just doing a quick video on this. This is sporting a NBv4 20mm bass speaker, red, white tricrete LED, and red is for the main blade and white is for flash on clash, obviously. David wanted to have some Sidious boot up sounds with just some dark side fonts. We have Bane, I think we have a Plagueis sound font as well, and the other sound font was Dark Apprentice.
It's treason, then.
Change fonts. I'm gonna have to lower the volume on a couple of these fonts, or just sensitivity, because it tends to the speaker tends to vibrate and cause the soundboard to vibrate too, and that causes it to clash. So I can do that. I can edit those for you if you want, or if you want, you can do that as well. So it is a very loud sound font. And you can hear that, and this is just from a 20mm speaker. So change sound fonts. It's a fingerprint magnet, I'm sorry. But yeah, on this font and the one prior, I'll go ahead and lower the volume just by 1. That way it's not vibrating the soundboard and causing it to clash. The first one is fine though. And to access your recharge port, all you have to do is unscrew this, and your recharge port is right here. And if you are going to want to change any settings in your SD card, it's kind of tricky, but you're gonna have to, oh, I forgot to say about the blade. I don't have a blade, but when you want to put a blade in, you need to unscrew this. You need to unscrew that, unscrew this, yeah, these threads are very long. So you unscrew this, and then you can remove this. And here you have your LED retention and your blade retention, and this is for your blade, obviously. So you put your blade in. You also, you might want to get some shorter screws, because the screws that I had were just a little bit long, and I don't have a source for them here. So yeah, just look for a shorter screw. It'll be easier, a lot easier for you to put a blade in, and for this to go back and screw back in. So I'm sorry that I don't have those screws sourced right now. I just had like this little bag, and these are the length that I have, so I'm sorry about that. But yeah, so if you're wanting to change your settings, you need to unscrew your LED so it has some more wire, some slack, and then you can pull this because it's not glued in, and it'll just lean it out, and you'll see your SD card, and you can get some plastic tweezers or whatever and just poke it, and you'll be able to grab it out easily. But yeah, that's how you have access to your recharge port and stuff like that. And you can just put this back on, and can't see where it is. this right here. So I did have to tap the LED and the blade retention screws, the holes I should say. So that's the only thing that the hilt itself doesn't come with. But yeah, David, this is your saber. I will be shipping it out this weekend, today, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks, guys. See you.